Today, I want to talk about one of the most powerful tools in the arsenal of anyone serious about their nutrition goals: meal prep. It's more than just a Sunday afternoon activity. It's a strategy that can massively transform your approach to eating healthily. For those of us trying to juggle healthy eating with the chaos of daily life and parenting, meal prep emerges as a largely unsung hero. But why is it such a game changer, I hear you ask? Well, first off, consistency. It's the holy grail of any successful diet plan, yet it's incredibly elusive. We all know how it goes. We start the week with the best of intentions. Then by Wednesday, we're knee-deep in takeout menus. We fed and hosed down the munchkins, and we're wondering where it all went wrong and how many hours we're going to have to spend on the treadmill to work off that pizza we're about to order. This is where meal prep rises out of the mists like a shining beacon. By dedicating just a few hours to preparing your meals for the week, or even the month, you're setting up a strong framework of consistency. You're not left making spur-of-the-moment decisions about what to eat. You've already decided, and more importantly, it's food you enjoy. This brings us to the second equally crucial point: enjoyment. Eating healthily doesn't mean relegating yourself to a lifetime of eating beige. Bland chicken and steamed broccoli, unless that's your thing, of course, are not the only healthy foods out there. The beauty of meal prep is that it lets you plan meals you genuinely look forward to eating. This enjoyment factor turns a well-intentioned diet into a sustainable eating lifestyle. Because let's face it, if you enjoy your meals, you're absolutely more likely to stick to your eating plan in the long term. So how do you get started? Well, begin simply. Pick a day of the week as your meal prep day. Yes, Sunday is as good a day as any. Then think about what you like to eat. This isn't about crafting the perfect, idealized diet that looks great on paper but completely impractical in reality. It's about creating enjoyable, nutritious meals you can look forward to. Make a list. What ingredients will you need? How can you ensure variety? Then it's just about cooking in batches and storing your meals in a way that makes them easy to grab and go. Invest in some quality meal prep containers. They make a huge difference. Not only do they keep your food fresh, but they also help with portion control, which is yet another key aspect of maintaining a healthy diet. And lastly, remember to give yourself some flexibility. If the thought of eating the same meal 5 days in a row makes you want to throw up, probably drink some water, you might be dehydrated. But then mix it up. Meal prep doesn't have to mean 5 identical containers of food. It's about having ready-to-eat, healthy options at your fingertips. For me, it's a little like cheating though, as I have a partner who loves to cook. We decided on a set menu for the week's dinners, and I work backwards from there. I begin with my protein requirements for each day, and then I structure what I'll eat according to the remaining macros for the day. This helps me set goals and be consistent with them, but also gives me the flexibility to eat foods that I enjoy and can do it all while sticking to my macro requirements. This takes a bit of time to work out, but the benefits are just tremendous once you have it done. The takeaway here is that meal prep might just be one of the most underrated strategies in nutrition. It's about more than just saving time. It's a commitment to consistent, enjoyable, and healthy eating. And for those looking to streamline their diets and make healthy eating a seamless part of their lifestyle, meal prep is undoubtedly the way to go. So that's all for today. And don't forget to like this video if you like this video, share it if you think someone else will too, and I'll see you in the next one.